Perfect time to do this. Did you explain what was going on with this car or no?
I didn't explain anything.
I figured. So basically what was going on with this was we had to change the oil pressure sender in this Kia Stinger. Yeah, so the oil pressure sending unit, which goes bad on these cars, is underneath the fuel rail. So you gotta take the fuel rail out, and you gotta take the intake manifold out. So it's a great time to do a Walnut blast service on this direct injection vehicle, right? So that's what we're doing right now.
Yes, sir.
And it's coming out pretty good.
Hey, you want to see before and after, Eddie? I'll take a picture.
Sometimes I look at things like this and wonder why Nissan can't make a car like this instead of whatever the they make. What does this thing sound like, Chris?
Sounds like a V6.
Sound like a VQ?
Literally.
Oh, it does?
Oh, no, not a VQ. So here's the before.
Damn. That is nasty.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here is your after.
Damn.
It's like a world difference.
And this is, what, 83,000 miles, something like that?
83,000.
Yeah, so it's about that time when you should probably get this done. And there was deposits like chunked up on the top of the valve, right?
There you go. So this is around the valve. This is like oil burnt up.
Just caking up on
Just
it?
caking up on it, man. Yeah, that was on the valve. One, two. Oh, it's very open.
Alright, gotta put the engine at top dead center on that cylinder so you don't dump a bunch of walnuts into this cylinder. Sometimes you gotta go in manually.
With the dental tools.
Yep. I mean, you could clean a lot of stuff with this, but
Do you want to?
not without making a huge mess.
There you go, Eddie.
All that, jeez, all that was going into your engine. Now, why does this happen? Because the fuel usually, in port injection, the fuel cleans the valves, but in direct injection, the fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber, so it bypasses the valves.
Hey, look. You can see the walnut stuck to it. See it?
Yeah.
Just embedded in it.
Yeah, it's a direct injection thing. So, usually with the service, it's like an hour or an hour and a half plus removing and reinstalling the intake manifold.
You get in there? Oh, yeah. It's like a lot better. What's that? What's the That's 80, not 80. What? All over my nostril. Yeah. Right up. Backside of the valve open.
What?
Damn. Zoom in. Not my phone.
Oh.
Kind of annoying that you can't boroscope. It's like a board. Yeah, it's just like, man. Zoom in more. Zoom in.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on factionmotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you 1 entry, and Faction Motorsports merch and products get you double entries. And for this month, we're giving away a $1,000 voucher towards products or services here at Faction Motorsports. So with this $1,000, you'll be able to pretty much order whatever you want from our website, as long as it's within $1,000. Or if it's more than that, that's fine. We'll just put it towards it, and you can pay the balance. Or if you're local to us, you can come in at Faction Motorsports and get any service done up to $1,000.